So I will teach you on how to create an e-portfolio in Google Sites. The first thing we're gonna do is we have to go to Chrome and put the search box the Google Sites. You're gonna double click the blank template right here. Your site name is upon you. You can also change the background image of your title. Click the image and open. You can insert file through Google Drive. You just have to click the Google Drive right here, click the file, and insert. You can also add text by inserting the text box. And done. As you can see, this is my finished work. If you think you are done, just click the publish right here and click the publish again. If you want to view your finished work, you can click view here at the bottom and done.